hits the porch like a soft refrain. Just an hour ago we were laughing in the sun again. Now the sky's gone gray and the mood turns still, but it brings me back to you, and I always will. Your hair in the wind, that linen dress, barefoot on the wood, a summer caress. You dance to my chords without any sound, like the world disappeared when you spun around. Oh, rain on the porch and thoughts of you. The sky's crying softly like I used to do. A glass in my hand, a storm in my chest, but your memory's warm. Didn't plan the ending, just slipped away. Now the sea feels quiet, the trees lean in, and I play our song. Let the story begin. Maybe you're out there still feeling that flame, or maybe I'm foolish just whispering your name. But in this silence, in this slow down scene, you're still the softest part of me I've ever seen. Oh, rain on the porch, that bittersweet sound takes me right back to where love was found. The storm rolls slow, the memories shine. Shekvetili blues and a heart out of time. So I let it rain, let the thunder roll. Each drop writes a verse on my open soul. You're gone, but here in every line, on this rainy porch, you're still mine.